I will say I wish us a happy 2022. Now, it has been a very eventful 2020, 2021. A lot has happened and a lot happened in 2021. So let's see how 2022 plays out. I pray that 2022 will bring us good tidings, that is going to bring us good tidings, is going to bring us, obviously, that is going to be a better year. Be that is may, hold on, let me, some of you have to pardon me because I probably have to turn the camera. Okay, sorry, device is locked, I can't, because it's YouTube. So, like I'm saying, 2022, I say, may Chukwu Kikabiama bless us all. May those things we wanted for 2021 and we didn't get them, may it come to us in 2022. If you're here watching me, the only thing you can do is, as we pray this prayer for 2022, be typing Ise. 2022 shall be a better year for all of us, especially those of you watching me now. I pray that those things we endeavored for and we didn't get in 2021, we will not kill ourselves in 2022, but we pray that the God in heaven, the Okaka binigwe, Obasi binigwe, the eze na-ekpesala ọgwụ, the ọmama amasị amasị, onye nke bi n'eluigwe welu ahụ na mmerụme mgbakwasị okwu ya, the one who sees tomorrow, the one who knew the earth before it was formed. May he make 2022 to be a better year for all of us. Ise, Eric Okolo, I say Happy New Year to you. And I pray, may those things we fight for, may the things we fight for collectively as a people, may it be a reality in the year 2022. May those who have our things and they've raised it up, may their hands become heavy, that they will begin to bring their hands down for us to reach and get what belongs to us. May the gods of our ancestors, the gods, let me show us, the gods that control the lands upon which these feet are, may the gods make the things we pray. As we remove our shoes and stand and commune with the Mother Earth, may those who wish us bad never see good in 2022. All we ask is, let the eagle perch and let the kite perch. Do not take what belongs to mine. Do not take that which belongs to me. I have no interest in touching that which belongs to you. And I say, Ise. Again, I repeat, the things we have worked for over the years, the things we have hoped for over the years, the things we have collectively been fighting for, that this year we shall begin to see it come into fruition. May those who oppress us, may they know no peace. May those who oppress us see no peace. May those who have taken that which belongs to us and taken their hands up, we say, let Witilo, whatever that will befall their hands, let it befall them, so that they will leave that which belongs to us. This year, I pray, especially those of you in the diaspora, let me stand and tell you that as I stand in the motherland, in the great Igbo nation, I use that as a point of contact to you watching me wherever you are. I know it is very early in the morning, but you should know also that as Nagu Zaguon, we have we are awake. We've been going places, and we've been saying that that which we require, that which we hope for, that it shall come to pass. Whoever has a prayer request, what we say is today is a day to give the Gwan, Abasibinenu. Let me show us. That is a very clear sky that we have today. You see, let these palms, let the palm trees, and let the Iroquois, let these trees. So I know the connection is very bad. Please like the video and share the video, because in this year, we are coming in a different dimension. We are coming in a different dimension. This year, we are coming in a different dimension. And this year, we are starting it by communing with our ancestors, with the creator of heaven and earth. And I say to all of us that it shall be well with us. It is already well with us. But this year, let it be the manifestation of that well-being which we have.